Good morning. It's Carl Malm with Rapid Home Deals, and we are answering questions from sellers just like you. So, the question for today was, and this was a different one, are there any electrical requirements that have to be met in order to sell my house? Well, the easiest thing to do would make sure that the electrical systems in your house are up to code. If not, though, if they're not up to code, that means you're not going to pass a home inspection, which means that you're going to eliminate conventional FHA, VA, USDA loans. However, the house can still be sold as is if you sell to an investor who is not going to get a bank mortgage. All right. A lot of times investors use private individuals, private investors, and they can buy the house as is. They'll just figure it into the repair cost as what it's going to take to get that electrical system straightened out, and then they'll turn around, either sell it or rent it. All right, but so that's our question for today. Remember, if you know somebody who is looking to sell their house, have them call me at 352-446-8559 or 352-480-0955, or go to my website, rapidhomedeals.com, and we'll see you when we answer the next question.